Good afternoon to you, sir. The Deputy Chief Minister, Shri R. Ashoka. Good afternoon to all the very senior dignitaries today on the dais, the support of whom has been outstanding today. I'm not going to go individually. I understand the Honourable Minister has a limited time, so I'm going to quickly get down to why I am here on the dais today. Many years later, many years later, when the entire organ transplantation scenario in this country would have been transformed dramatically and people won't be dying because of want of organs, they would look back to see what was that one thing that caused the turning point for the change in the organ donation scenario. And that one turning point, I believe, would be this day today, that is going to cause the dramatic transformation in the organ transplantation scenario here. And I want to, on behalf of my colleagues in the Gifted Organ Foundation, the volunteers, profusely thank the government of Karnataka for having the foresight that they displayed, for being way ahead of the other states in this country, for saying that they are extremely interested in the citizens of this country, they don't want to see people die, and are ready to make that extra, or take that extra step in ensuring that all is done to ensure that there's a dramatic improvement. Gifted Organ Foundation, on its part, as an NGO, will do everything that we can do to support the Karnataka government in this endeavor. When we set up our foundation, our vision was there will be no deaths in this country for the want of organs. This is that first small step that we've taken today with the help of the government of Karnataka towards our goal that there will be no deaths in this country for the want of organs. We stand committed, and we assure all of you here today that we will deliver on that promise of ours. The team at the Gifted Organ Foundation, I must take special names. You've seen Priyanka Shailendra speak, is the Bangalore chapter coordinator, working tirelessly, has given up her career only so that she can be part of this organization and work hard in causing the transformation. Mr. Raj Sethia, Director of Projects, again, working tirelessly without wanting any credit to be able to make sure that there's a difference that is made. You see these young boys and girls in t-shirts and all of these young people. I sometimes ask senior people here, who says the youth of this country is not interested in this country? My experience of the youth of this country is they are very interested in this country. Give them an opportunity and they will deliver results in this country. Thank you very much, everyone. Thank you very much.